What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Nay, and of course you guys know I'm back with another video. So from last year, you guys have been requesting for me to do an eyebrow tutorial for you guys, so I finally got the chance to do this video for you guys. If you want to see how I achieve these brows, then you can just continue watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and share to your friends. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So guys, I'm starting off with my brows. You want to groom those brows before you fill them. So now I'm using my spoolie to brush up the hairs on my brows so that I can see exactly where I want to form my arch, and also to get rid of those little hairs that are sticking out. Okay guys, so now that I'm finished with the bottom part of my brows, I'm using that same spoolie to brush my hair downwards so that I can see the natural lining of the top part of my brow. And of course, I'm using that same razor blade to get rid of those little hairs that are not supposed to be there. Okay, so it's best if you have a eyebrow scissors to do this part, because of course sometimes you have those little long hairs that you want to clip to make sure that when you brush back the hair of your brows, everything is in place. But however, I'm using my razor blade to do that part. Okay, so now to the other side of my brow. So basically I'm just repeating what I did on the other side to this side. Okay guys, just a friendly reminder, your brows are not twins, okay? So don't try to get them perfect. I mean, my brows aren't perfect, so therefore I cannot shape them to get them perfect, but you can work towards getting them as close as possible, you know? Okay, so now to the fun part that you all have been waiting for, right? So this pencil that I have here is from Candy Coated. I'm going to put her link in the description below. Okay, so you want to make sure that the pencil that you're using is sharp, you know, it's very sharp. Okay guys, so I'm using my spoolie to brush up my brow so that I can see the natural lining of the bottom part of my brow. And of course, you want to make sure that when you're drawing your brow or when you're lining your brow, you use the pencil lightly because you don't want it to be too dark. Okay guys, so now to the top part of my brow. If you guys realize, I'm not starting it at the exact same place. I start the bottom part because you know that we don't want our brows looking like blocks, and we're working towards achieving the perfect, sleek, and natural brows. Okay guys, so now I'm using my pencil to lightly fill out my brows. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna go back in with my spoolie to brush up my brows so that I can achieve that smooth and natural look. Now to clean up my brows, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn. I'm using this angled brush. It is on the opposite end of the spoolie. You can use this brush, or if you have a round concealer brush, whichever one you're more comfortable with. Okay, so I start with the middle section of my brow, right where the arches form. So the technique that I use to conceal my brow is the press and glide technique. So you want to make sure when you're concealing your brow, you want to press that concealer into the skin, then glide it across. This helps to achieve those perfect and smooth lines. You don't want to have those jagged or rough edges. And make sure that you drag the concealer down so that when you're blending it out, it is easier. Okay, so I'm just adding a little bit more of the concealer down on my lid because I'm gonna add a little bit of eyeshadow when I'm finished. To blend out my concealer, I'm using this brush. It is the Deluxe Crease brush. It is from Real Techniques. You can get it in your local beauty supply store, or you can get it on their website, Amazon. However, I got the set from Fontana in Savlamar. Okay, so for the top part of my brow, I'm using this concealer brush. It is from the crayon case. I'm using this to conceal the top part of my brow. Of course, using my foundation shade. I use the Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade 355. So guys, this is the final look. I went ahead and did my makeup, my full makeup off camera, and apply my lashes and stuff. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Whatever video you guys want me to do, you can just put that down in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment and share. See you guys in my next video. Bye.